was growing up, if you had told me that in however many years I would be working with a surf charity in Northern Ireland as a surf instructor, I would have never believed you. Ever. I was born in California. There was all sorts of problems. I remember, both my parents were on drugs. My mother actually had me when she was 16 or 17. My father then had been convicted of burglary. Once I was 4, my brother, sister, and I were all taken as a ward of the state away by the police. When I look back, it's just crazy to think about how I made it here and how my past has influenced all that. To become a surf instructor, you need 2 years of surf experience, really, and I maybe had a month at the time. So in order to get to the level of surfing, I needed to surf a lot. The day of the surf assessment, there was a huge storm. The swell itself was 20 feet, and the wind was onshore, so the waves were really messy. I got stuck right where the waves were breaking, and then I'd say there was a good 10 minutes where I just kept getting pummeled by waves. But I just had to keep paddling. I caught my second wave, and I really wasn't sure I would. But despite all that, it was just had to keep going, and I pushed through. Now with all this, I can teach other people to surf, and maybe one day they'll be in a similar position as me. I just love it when I see a kid, they've never surfed before, and then they get on the board, you pull them into a wave, and then they might fall off half a second later. Then they come up and they're like, that was amazing. And that's just an incredible thing to see. It was the surf project which helped me realize that it's a much better feeling to give rather than to receive.